Hello everybody, welcome to Kids Here Volume channel. Please subscribe and big thumbs up. Today we were outside right now for the starters, and as you guys see, you may know the title of the video, but in my pocket here, you guys know what I have? There's a lot of motorcycles and stuff, and I hate them. But you guys see right here, I have a pair of handcuffs, and I'm going to lock myself up for 24 hours in these. Let's see how that goes, okay? Let me get these things on. Actually, we're just going to do 1 hour today, and let's see how it goes. We're not going to film the whole thing. I locked one wrist up. Oh, it's so tight, man. But I have the keys right here on the chain, so I don't lose them. But if we lose the key, when we take it off, we're seriously out of luck. If we are outside and we can lose it anywhere, guys. Kind of hard to hold this thing. Now. Okay. So I'm handcuffed. You guys can see that I'm handcuffed. And yeah. We're just gonna do our average stuff right now. So I'm going to go inside my house. Oh my gosh. There's a pen on here, so it's kind of hard. Already, I'm in here, still handcuffed, and oh, it hurts. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of hard to hold this camera, but yeah. We're just gonna go in my room right now. It's very dark in there, guys. So we're going upstairs. It's very dark in here. I see the screen just went black. So dark. You guys see me, don't ya? Okay guys, I'm gonna get all my lights on here so you guys can see me better. And last light's the Christmas lights. Okay. You might be able to see me way better. So hop up on here on the film center. Oh my gosh. I have a bunk bed and I have to climb up the ladder. But ow man. It really hurts. So I'm up here. Some lighting. But yeah. Yeah. It's like way lighter than you think. Or just not light on the camera. But yeah. So I'm gonna do a little tour of my room while I'm around here. And if you guys see room tour, that was before my room got remodeled, guys. I didn't know my room got remodeled, so I'm working on doing some stuff. You guys see Christmas lights on the ceiling now. And I got my TV on a different side of the wall with my Wii and stuff. I have a piano here. My window seal is also being remodeled. I have trophies and other stuff over here, guys. Got a trophy and posters. I got a telephone where I can call people on. If I don't have my real phone, I can just call people in here. My gaming setup. So I got my personal Wi-Fi box. I got my microphone. I got my webcam. I got my laptop. I got a keyboard. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. It's so hard being a cameraman. Why I'm like just like this, guys. But in here I got my closet. It's kind of a mess, but well, it's not really a mess. I need to fix, like, get a nail up there for those lights. But see my closet. It's very dark in here, but the closet's too dark to see. But yeah, closet door's right there. yeah. Got my Boy Scouts car here. My Boy Scouts car right here and stuff. And oh my gosh, guys, it's so hard to hold this crap. And if you guys knew how I play GTA over here, I do not play it over here. I play my GTA over here on my TV. And I broadcast off my PS4. It's very, very hidden over here on this section. It's very, very hidden over here. It's like hidden in the shelf. But up here, if you guys see this thing up here, I'm gonna show it. You guys see that? That's so I can use my phone up there and record videos and talk about stuff and do like screen recorder progress and stuff. I see I'm still handcuffed. And yeah. So I'm gonna go back outside. Here comes the darkness. Now this is where it's light. Want to do a few challenges while we're recording. So I'm gonna do let's try riding on the hoverboard while holding the tablet and being handcuffed. I hate I can't hold on to anything. So if I try falling, I'm gonna fall face first because I'm holding handcuffs, guys. But I'm driving. You guys see right here? It's my hoverboard. I see that hoverboard right there. I don't know if you can, but you guys see that? That's my hoverboard. So yeah. Trying not to show anybody on here. Yeah. Let's do a little challenge here too. Let's see how good I could shoot a Nerf gun too. Put that one outside. Mom, do you know where my Nerf bullets are? Okay. I have to park it over here, guys. You guys can see that I'm driving, but I am. If I was old enough, I would show you that I can drive. I may be able to drive in this, but I don't have it challenged. Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out a challenge here. Actually, let me look up here. I want to see how I do. By the way, this is not a little Nerf gun, guys. This is a big Nerf gun. Okay, guys, so I'm going to shoot this thing. Let's see. I don't have any bullets in it, but let's see how well we can cock this thing, guys. You guys see I'm right on my hoverboard right now. Oh my gosh, it already hurts. Oh, let me set that down. Let's see, I'm in my handcuffs here. They are black handcuffs, by the way. See, handcuffs. I have my key right there. But I'm handcuffed. And, oh man, look how big this thing is. I don't know how I'm going to be able to cock this, guys, but, oh my gosh, I'm going to have to, let's see how good we can cock this stuff at all. Okay. I can barely even cock this. Oh my gosh. Come on, shoot it. Come on. It's not working. I can't. And I'm not going to say I can't. It's a very strong word, but yeah, I'm going to have to use the couch. I'm supposed to just use my hands, but I'll have to just use my hands, guys, since that's against the rules, but yeah. We're handcuffed, we got to use my hands. We have to do it straight. Okay. So we got to cock this baby here. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. It's harder than it looks, guys. Trust me. Okay. I'm trying to cock this thing. Got it, guys. So let's see if I can shoot it directly. And right there at the camera. Oh! It's with my hands. I can't loosen this up while we're at the challenge, guys. Hold it this one here. It's pretty hard. How do you see it? See, I can shoot and stuff. It works. I shoot directly. So that's proof that I could shoot and cock a Nerf gun with handcuffs. Actually, to make this more interesting, I'm going to take the key off of here. Maybe. I'm just going to get the stupid thing off. Key off, not stupid thing. But if I say, I wish there wasn't a key, or this is a stupid thing, it might just disappear if I had a wasn't so. But yeah. And we'll be stuck in these forever. So, these are not little clip baby handcuffs. These are real metal handcuffs. I'm not playing with you. So these are not just little play ones that has that little clip on it. These are real ones. I'm gonna have to get help one sec. Mom? Mom? I'm not involved. I'm just trying to get you some help if I need to get out of anything. I started to do it the next challenge. I couldn't get the key out, that was hard, but see if I can unlock myself these handcuffs. So let's see if I can unlock just one of them with the challenge here. Guys, look, I unlocked one of them with my hands handcuffed. So I'm gonna have to put this back on for the challenge. And this lock right here, the keyhole for this one is upside down. So yeah, I have to try getting it under there, and that's hard, guys. If I can unlock this one, that would be nice, and I could complete the challenge. Otherwise, I can't. And I need to complete the challenge, guys. Oh, got that one off. So let's throw the key. Guys, heard that? No key anymore. Not even on the chain. I threw the key, so I have to find it once the challenge ends to make it more interesting. But right now, I did not see the key anywhere. Still running my hoverboard. Let me grab you guys. Okay, now.
She telling you that she got guys coming in and out in your apartment.
You guys can only hear me, and there's like no TV background like you guys hear. I'm using some earbuds here. Hello. You guys hear me? I bet you guys can. So yeah. I do not have my camera right now, so it's on my room for my gaming setup, so I can't get my camera right now. I'm using little stuff. Now, what should be our next challenge? I think we should try lifting something. Let's see if we can lift like a big item without dropping it, and a heavy item. So I'd try lifting like a table or something to see how that works out. I think we might just have something in here. Hold on a sec. So we can do our challenge after we lift something heavy without dropping it. Gosh. Oh, I can't open the doors. I did unlock this thing. I don't know why I did this. Oh my gosh. Gosh, it hurts, it hurts, it hurts. Okay, but yeah. Oh, this thing's trashed. Okay, guys, so we're in the garage with a bunch of tools and items. Oh my gosh. I remember this. Me and Paul destroyed this DS. See this DS, guys? Let me get back in the light. You guys see this DS? Me and Paul destroyed it. That's proof that we destroyed it. I just threw it on the ground. We have to lift something heavy. How about this shelf? So I'm going to set you up right here. We're going to try lifting some metal bars here. Little bars. Go see me? Okay. You guys see me right now? Let me remove the headphones. I think it's blue second bar. Okay. That really hurt, but yeah. Okay, so let's listen to bars. Big and heavy. Oh! Oh my gosh, it hurts so much. Like when you pick it up, it like widens it, but it seriously hurts. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. But I cannot drop it. I have to hold this for a full minute or so. It hurts. Oh crap, it tapped the ground. So yeah, looks like I lost this challenge. See, this is what happened. I was moving it and this happened. I touched the ground. So let's do a more heavier type bar, guys. You can see with a little more heavier type thick bar. Oh gosh. You guys see this? Oh, it's widened. It's widened. Oh my gosh. I think I broke my wrist. Oh, I can't. It's about to touch the ground. Try lifting this thing up. You can do it right over my head, guys. It's simple, but let's try throwing up in the air and catching it. Oh my gosh. Guys, see? I'm throwing it right now. Oh my gosh. Throwing it, catching it. Throwing it, catching it. Throwing it, catching it, guys. I did a little toss. If I do that, it's going to fall on me. But I have to try to throw it on one more time. If I can pass that, I win this challenge. Oh my gosh. I cannot lose one challenge, guys. Now it's getting pretty simple, but oh my gosh, it hurts. Okay. But yeah, 1, 2, oh, frick, okay. Oh my gosh, that about hit the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh, ow, it hurts. 10. That's ow. It hurts so much. Like, I swear, guys, it hurts. But yeah, I think we should do a bottle flipping contest, guys. How does that sound? I have a bottle and store it. We're back inside the house. We do bottle flipping inside it. Let's get a bottle of water here. We have to make 3 bottle flips outside, guys, because we don't know if this thing will explode. Now, if I have to hold this bottle of water, oh my gosh, I have to drop it. Oh. Are you guys still here? Okay. So guys, this is super fun. But yeah, we're not going to do like 20 minutes of this stuff. And I'm going to stay in these for a full hour, guys. See how we can work this out. So yeah, I'm going to stop it right here. That's right here. We did a few challenges and those are very fun. But I'm super tired and stuff, so I'm gonna go take a nap and stuff and come back tomorrow for come back the day after tomorrow for a part 2, guys. If you guys want to see a part 2, like this video and comment it down below. Bye.